Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Putri Amrina with NPM 224111034 from Management 22A. Here I will present material about interview. What is meant by interview? The interview is a process of communication or interaction in which the subject or interview gives the needed information verbally in a face-to-face situation. Although the interview is generally associated with counseling or psychotherapy, it can be used effectively to collect useful information about individuals in many research situations. Research interview. Interview may be used as a tool for gathering data required by the research to test hypotheses or solve his problem of historical, experimental, survey or clinical type of research. This type of interview is called research interview. Clinical interview. In clinical work, social workers and psychiatrists use interview to secure information about an individual's problem, his past history, job or family adjustment. In such situation, the major purpose of interview are diagnosis and treatment. This type of interview is designated as clinical interview. Structured interview. 1. The procedure to be followed is standardized and is determined in advance of the interview. 2. The same type of questions are presented in the same order to each interview. 3. The interviewer has no freedom to rephrase the question add extra ones, and change the order in which the questions have to be presented. 4. Structured interview imposes a degree of formality. Unstructured interview. 1. Unstructured interview provides greater flexibility. 2. The interviewer is largely free to arrange the form and timing of the question. 3. He can thus rephrase the question, modify them, and add some new questions to his list. Individual interview. In some situations, an interviewer may interview one individual at one time. It is called an individual interview. Focus group interview. Sometimes because of limited time and resources, it is preferable to collect information by interviewing collectively individuals. Such a group is called focus group. In a focus group interview, a group of individuals are interviewed by an interviewer. The size of the group should neither be too small nor too large. Nature and number of individuals constituting the focus group. 1. Include those individuals in the group who have the characteristic, experience, or knowledge needed to provide rich information on the topic. 2. Limit the size of the group to 6 last 8 individuals so that almost all the participants have a chance to share the information. 3. All participants in the group should feel comfortable while talking with one another. Characteristic of a focus group. 1. Nature and number of individuals constituting the focus group. 2. Comfortable environment. 3. Sampling and number of focus group. 4. Developing question. 5. Training of interviewer for holding focus group interview. Comfortable environment. 1. Hold focus group in familiar or neutral settings such as office buildings, libraries, and schools. 2. Seat participants so that they can see easily one another. 3. Interview participants in their language. Sampling and number of focus group. Use purposive sampling for constituting focus group. From 3 to 4 focus group for each audience category that is of interest. If after the third or fourth group the team is still receiving new information, the team might continue conducting focus group until new information is elicited. Developing question. The question must be conversational and easy for the participant. The question should focus on getting information that directly relates to the objectives of the research study. Use questions that get participants involved. Training of interviewer for holding focus group interview. 1. Make sure that every participant speaks the same amount in a group. Control dominant talker by thanking them for their input and asking for others to share. Remind the group that it is important to hear from everyone. That's my presentation. I'm sorry if there any mispronunciation. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.